Do your hips sound like bubble wrap every time you exercise? I've got 3 exercises to get those pops out and bring that health in. Give me a like, give me a subscribe so you can be notified when I release videos every 2 weeks. And don't forget to check out Patreon and become a member so you can become unshakably fit. Remember guys, we are training our nervous system. Our nervous system is activated by breath. Hear the beat? 1. Inhale. Exhale. Keep that tempo going throughout every exercise. Let's get to work. Inhale, strong chest, knees to ground, exhale to center. Other side. Strong chest. Hold the core in. Got there a little quick, my bad. Nice job, guys. Inhale for 5 all the way to the other side and back. Big strong chest, core in. Good. Keep that breath going. Nice job, guys. I love that exercise. The next exercise, you don't necessarily have to go with the tempo as far as your movement goes, but your breath needs to continuously flow at that 5-second intervals. 5 seconds on the inhale, 5 seconds on the exhale. This is a bit of a difficult exercise. Use your hands as needed to help you. Strong chest, strong core, big breath, okay? Knees together, feet together. Let's go. Notice the ankles, how they're articulating. Pointing my toes, pulling my toes up towards the knees, allowing for the crossover, pointing back down. Sitting the butt cheeks on the ground, big chest, strong core. Good, guys. Make sure we're breathing deep. Nice job, guys. All right, guys. Some of that crinkling's probably going in your hips. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, or have any concerns, drop them as a comment or send me a message. Thanks for watching.